Want to know how to make these super amazing donuts? Just keep watching.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and run, yeah, yeah.
At this step, if you have a stand mixer, you're better to use the paddle attachment and gradually mix in the flour. When it gets to this consistency, switch to your dough hook.
Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby.
Now, when you can tell it's getting more like dough, on a floured work surface, knead for around 5 minutes, then transfer to an oiled bowl for at least an hour. So, as you can see, I did not have any cookie cutters, but I realised they are not necessary at all. And remember, donuts don't always need a hole. Grab a pan of boiling hot water and place in the oven turned off. Put your donuts on a floured tray in there as well. This is creating a warm environment, ensuring that your donuts prove quicker. When 30 minutes has passed, leave your donuts in the oven while you heat up your oil. While your oil is heating up, make the sauce. When frying the donuts, my phone went dead, so we're skipping to decoration. You can really do whatever you want with this, so I decided to do 2 types. I tried to dunk the whole front of the donut in this way, and the other way I just drizzled it over the top, but with a thicker sauce, which means adding a little bit less milk to make it more thicker. I completely forgot to take a photo of these types, so I did video these, so I've decided to put this video in, and then you can see the picture as the end result of the other ones. And that's it, that's all you have to do to make these super duper amazing donuts. I cannot explain how good these taste. Seriously, you have to make them yourself and try them out. Thanks for watching, bye!